precise and accurate Hiyori build in Unmatched Ego. Okay. The abilities you need to use is Perfect Pass and Ace Dribble, and select up to 3 passives: Finisher, Finish, and Passer. And I don't pass using you also need to shoot while passing like this. Sometimes you need to use shoot but not pass. That's why I use Finish and and Finisher. Also, if your opponent and you are not free, do not use Perfect Pass, or it will not be really a perfect pass. Let me show it to you. So one opponent is see, you need your opponents to be free, or it will not be a perfect pass. It will be a worst pass ever, man. Like, you're not even Hiyori when you do that. Like, it's not suitable for you if you pass like that. And sometimes you need to use shoot while passing, just like this. Oh, sheesh. Just like this. Sometimes you need to use shoot instead of pass, just like this. See? Look at that, man. Like, look at that. Okay, I'm sorry guys for yapping. I just wanna explain. Like, really, I'm a bad explainer. Shoot it! Oh my god. Pass it. Okay, my teammates are free, so I can use pass. There we go. Get it! Oh my god. Here! There we go. Yo! Wait. There we go. Yo! I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello. Shoot it! Oh my god. Why did I even steal from my teammates? Like, why? Good! Nice one. Oh, I forgot. Bro, that's not a perfect. That's the worst pass ever, man. Like, really, that's the worst pass ever. Bro, perfect pass into worst pass. So that's why you need to be free in your teammates. Oh shit. Kata Nacho. Kita. Oh, I've been married. No, don't. The goalkeepers in the bots are worse, man. Like, really. Oh no! And that's it, guys.